Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chemical Reactions. I'm Chuck.
And I'm Juliette.
And today we're coming back at you with another great music reaction. First of all, a shout out to our Chem Squad. The easiest squad to join ever. Just click the subscribe button and you're in. You know, super easy.
And you don't even have to pay to watch our videos.
No.
It's all free.
So today we are starting a new series. We're going to call this one The School of Metal.
Like School of Rock, but more intense and without Jack Black.
That's right. School of Metal. It's about metal. Because I realize, you know what? I always say that my background is metal, kind of the good old thrash metal of the 80s. You know, the Metallica, Megadeth, Iron Maiden. It's not thrash metal, but good metal. And I realized that Juliette doesn't know any of these songs. So, we have to remedy that.
So today we're going to be listening to the song that is at the top of our Metal Tomatoes scale, which I have never heard before. Master of Puppets by Metallica.
Yeah, I think Master of Puppets by Metallica is the song that most Metallica fans will usually say is the best Metallica song ever. Some will say one. I think they're really close. Two awesome songs. But you know what? Today we're gonna start with Master of Puppets.
All right, let's do it.
Let's come right in. And of course, you usually do Metal Tomatoes, right? You know what my rating is going to be because it's always the one that I say is my 100%. So this is going to be 100% for me. We'll wait to see what Juliette has to say about it.
Then.
As always, we'll put the link in the description below so you can watch the whole video for yourself. was 3.5 minutes of pure hard-hitting thrash metal, and this is Cliff Burton at its best, which I would argue the best metal bassist of all time. I'm sure some will argue, please do, but Cliff Burton, you know, tragically died. I think a year or two after recording this album.
Wow.
Was the best metal bassist of all time. So this is just beauty in hard metal as you'll ever find it. So let's keep it going, but maybe just quickly before, maybe we can just go through the lyrics quickly. So we start with end of passion play, crumbling away. I'm your source of self-destruction. Veins that pump with fear, sucking darkest clear, leading on your death's construction. Taste me, you will see. More is all you need, dedicated to how I'm killing you. I'm crawling faster. Obey your master. Your life burns faster. Obey your master, master. And then the chorus. Master of puppets, I'm pulling your strings, twisting your mind and smashing your dreams. Blinded by me, you can't see a thing. Just call my name, because I'll hear you scream. Master, master, just call my name, because I'll hear you scream. Master, master. What do you think it's about?
I mean, to me it sounds like, you know, he's the dominant one in... Well, actually it sounds kind of scary. It's almost like Stockholm Syndrome. Like... it almost sounds like the person that he's talking to is held captive in a way, which I guess is an idea that people get pretty often with, like, love songs, but this would be pretty intense for a love song, and it's kind of from the other perspective, somebody feeling like they're totally being dragged in by somebody.
All right, so let's keep it, just a bit more of the lyrics. It's interesting because obviously I know what it's about, right? But it's interesting to see someone who's never heard it, just hearing the lyrics for the first time, different point of view on what it means. Needle work the way, never you betrayed. Life of that becoming clearer. Pain monopoly, ritual misery. Chalk your breakfast on a mirror. Does that say something else?
No, I'm confused.
What type of breakfast do you chop on a mirror with, you know? This is about drugs.
See, I just thought it was like a toxic relationship.
Yeah, well, in a way it is, right? In a way it is.
Yeah, which is like, Can't Feel My Face by The Weeknd is like about drugs, but, you know, when you first hear it, you think that it's like a love song.
Yeah, exactly.
People write a lot of love songs to drugs.
But yeah,
especially in the
taste me,
music
you
industry.
will see. More is all you need, dedicated to how I'm killing you. Right? So
I don't know how I didn't make that connection.
Yeah.
That
crawling
makes a lot of
faster,
sense.
obey your master. Your life burns faster, obey your master. So it's all about the craving for drugs. Obviously, knowing deep down that it's nowhere near good for you. So yeah. All right. So let's go back in.
I like that.
So this interlude, right? Obviously, it's go from hard to something that's very soft, very
I enjoyed that.
objectively beautiful. And then,
Definitely
as
be
you'll see, we go
upfront.
back to the harder for the end. I always wonder what that means, right? Because in a way, it could be kind of the high, right?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, so a bit more floaty, a bit more airy.
And then it goes right back down, and you're
it goes
sucked
right
back
down.
in again.
Yeah, so
And I think part of the battle that a lot of people face with drug addiction is being so in love with that high that they don't know how to feel good without it anymore.
yeah.
But this is just the middle part of it, and it's not long. And the rest of it is pain and anger and not knowing how to cope. And, I think they could have written the song very differently to romanticize drugs, but that's not what they're doing.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, so it could be crave, right? Then the high, then sort of the crash and
Calm
crave
down,
again, right?
which
The complete cycle of drugs, the destructive cycle of drugs. All right, this time, promise, we'll take it to the end. Alright, so that was Master of Puppets. That was Master of Puppets.
Interesting.
So, obviously I'm extremely biased, right? Because it's the song I have listened to on repeat.
And that you've picked as your 100 point for Master.
That I've picked as my 100%. Yeah, so very biased. This is, to me, an awesome song.
I don't think I've ever moved around so much during a reaction.
Yeah. This is a high energy song.
I feel energized now.
Yeah.
I got things to do. Like I got places to be. Like I have people to stop from doing drugs.
Yeah. So if we go with the other verses after the beautiful musical interlude, hell is worth all that. Natural habitat. Just a rhyme without a reason.
Never-ending maze. Drift on numbered days. Now your life is out of season. I will occupy. I will help you die. Oof. I will run through you. Now I rule you too.
I'm obviously biased because this is probably my favorite song. And funny enough, not the first Metallica song I ever heard. So when it came out, I was still very young, right? Less than 10. The first album, the first CD. So young kids, there was this thing called CDs. Once a long time ago, the first CD I ever bought in 1988 was "And Justice for All."
The first CD I ever bought was Hannah Montana.
Different vibe. I didn't fully understand "And Justice for All" until a few years later, to be honest, after I actually listened to the Black Album numerous times. And then I went back to Master of Puppets. At that point, I was a young teenager, and I was completely swept away by the power of this song.
It's definitely very powerful.
Yeah. So, to me, fully biased. This is, if not my favorite song ever. But what did you think?
I liked it. I don't know. I feel like you set the bar so high, and I wasn't, I guess, as wowed as I was expecting to be. But, as I said earlier, that might just be attributed to my background and the way that I typically listen to music. I definitely don't have the same connection with the song as you do.
Mm-hmm.
I think it would probably take a few more listens. I think listening to it in a different environment. I think this is definitely a good, song to get you energized, because I definitely have a lot more energy now than I did when we started filming. But, I really enjoyed it. I don't know if I can say that this is, the best song I've ever heard.
Yeah, I think like most songs, right, you need to listen to it a few times.
Yeah.
To really, and to really get it, right, and to really understand where they're coming from. All right, so the moment of truth then. What is your Metal Tomatoes rating?
92.
All right, 92.
Yeah, I didn't say I disliked it at all. That it was good. It wasn't my 100 spot, Yeah, I think I gotta conserve that for something truly incredible.
I think 92, I think we can call this a Metallica Master of Puppets convert. So we're going to leave it here. As always, comment below. Like if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. What do you think about this series? The School of Metal series.
Educate me. Help educate me. Comment songs that you think are so integral to the metal experience that I need to listen to it. Because I still have a lot left to learn.
Yeah, so comment below any other songs that you feel we should have as part of our School of Metal series. Any other songs that we should react to outside of our School of Metal series would be greatly appreciated as well. And again, thank you so much for joining us. Glad you stumbled upon this video. Take a moment, go check out our channel page. Check out a few of our other videos.
We have a lot of content already. And we have a lot. Well, no, we don't have a lot.
We don't have a lot. We have this is our 8th video.
We're producing content at a good rate.
We're getting there.
We have a lot more coming.
We have a lot more coming. So
check it out.
Get on in for the ride. All right. We will see you next time.